Good evening, I'm Elliot Rodriguez.
And I'm Carly Barnett in for Lauren Pastrana. Tonight, Florida again has more than 9,000 new people infected with COVID.
One of them is Senator Rick Scott. He says he has very mild symptoms and is isolating at his home in Naples. He is at least the 8th member of Congress to announce a positive test this week.
Also infected tonight, Miami Hurricanes head football coach Manny Diaz. He says he's in isolation and feeling good overall. The Canes have been dealing with an outbreak among players as well, forcing several games, including tomorrow's, to be postponed.
CBS 4's Ty Russell is live at Jackson Memorial Hospital, where doctors do have optimism even as the numbers surge. Ty?
Well, Elliot and Carly, here at Jackson, the health system is dealing with roughly 130 patients battling the virus. So health leaders say there are beds available, but of course, they don't want to see them all filled up. And tonight we are also learning why survival chances are increasing for those who are really sick and battling COVID-19. On Friday, numbers showed more than 900 people battling COVID-19 in Miami-Dade and Broward hospitals. Experts believe the number of cases will continue to increase, which means doctors can expect more sick people.
The models show here locally is some peaking around the December timeframe, middle to late December.
CEOs from several South Florida hospitals spoke about the rising cases. They're hopeful bed capacity remains manageable.
We're expecting another potential surge. We have more than enough beds available.
Because of new medicine for those who are really sick, experts believe more people will survive this recent surge.
I don't expect the mortality to go up. I'm very optimistic it will go down, and especially as we have more and more things at our use to help control COVID.
The FDA approved a monoclonal antibody cocktail for emergency use.
Going to be for those that meet certain categories such as high risk, obesity, chronic diseases, and age.
But the goal is to avoid any infections or to keep rates really low. The effort to make that happen is likely to start next month. Memorial Health System says it plans to make sure frontline healthcare workers are taken care of first. Jackson Health agrees.
We're going to start offering that first to our frontline workers, right? We want to make sure that in case there's a surge, we have everybody, all hands on deck, ready and healthy.
Jackson Health is preparing to offer the 2 injections to healthcare workers and long-term care residents first. It'll be a while before a vaccine is widely available. And with Miami-Dade and Broward seeing 2-week average positivity rates for new cases above the goal of 5%, experts say you must protect yourself.
We're not over this yet. We have to maintain our awareness and not let the temptation of having this COVID fatigue that I think we've all experienced, right, get the better of us.
Hospital CEOs also talked about Thanksgiving. They say use a video conferencing system to talk with people who don't live in your household, those extended family members. And unfortunately, they do understand that some people are going to break those rules, not going to follow the recommendations. So they say at least have your Thanksgiving dinner outside and be spaced out. We are live in Miami. I'm Ty Russell, CBS 4 News Tonight.